It's time for a season finale you're not gonna forget.
Where's Commander Tana?
Why, you ask?
Open fire.
We've got one word for you. Chewbacca.
It's a Wookiee.
Don't miss the special one-hour season finale of Star Wars The Clone Wars. Secrets revealed. Friday, April 1st at 8, 7 Central.
Maybe our luck's just about to change.
Only on Cartoon Network.
Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip! Let's fight an epic battle! Face off and spin the metal! No time for doubt now! No place for backing down! Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip! Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip! Spin out, roleplay now! Bring on the power! Right to the top, yeah! We'll never get failed! Here comes Words of Fusion! Let's go, Beyblade, let it rip! Words of Fusion, let it rip! Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip! This is it! Let it rip! Let it rip!
Last time on Beyblade, in the shadows of the Dark Nebula headquarters, Jinga and Ryuga meet for their final battle. Ryuga and his Bay Lightning El Drago start strong, and they soon have Jinga and his Bay Pegasus struggling. Things change when Jinga realizes that all of his friends have come to support him. Jinga finds new strength, and he battles back. Ryuga launches a dark move, the Dragon Emperor Soaring Light Strike. But with all of his friends' power behind him, Jinga is able to get Pegasus to repel the attack. Jinga appears to be ready to take the match, but is shocked to see that the dragon spirits of El Drago are somehow entering Ryuga's body. Everyone watches in awe as Ryuga is changed into a new twisted form.
What?
What is that?
Oh, Ryuga.
Stop! Stop it, El Drago! Just stop it! I am the one who controls you! Don't try to take me in! Don't try to control me! Stop it!
Ryuga! What in the world is happening?
The thing that I was afraid of has begun after all. Until now, no one had been able to control El Drago. It is said that those who tried were all taken in by the dark aura and destroyed.
Huh? Then Ryuga will... Ryuga...
Through the matches at Battle Bladers, its power expanded greatly and has now begun to run wild. Not even Ryuga can control it any longer, my friends. And so the rampaging El Drago is trying to absorb Ryuga himself.
Stop it!
Ryuga! A Bay is doing that to its own blader?
Why did it turn out like this? Wasn't Ryuga's El Drago born from a fragment of a star just like Jinga's Pegasus was?
But over the long course of history, the paths the two fragments took diverged from each other greatly. One is darkness. One is light. In the end, the path taken depends on the choices of humans. Even El Drago's creation was a result of the humans who became amazed by the star fragment's great power.
Human hearts are what allowed El Drago's dark power to grow this much.
Some powerful people of the past were just like Doji. Be careful, Jinga. The thing El Drago desires is darkness. It won't stop this rampage until it leads the world to destruction, and everything falls into darkness.
What should I...
That's right! That is my desire! some energy.
It feels like the malice of all the people who have been destroyed by El Drago.
Destruction! Destruction! Destruction!
Pull yourself together! Ryuga!
Turn everything to darkness!
Don't lose to the dark power! Ryuga, pull yourself back from it!
You will become sustenance for me as well! What is this unbelievable power? Destruction! 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 More! Rampage! Sacrifice everything to me!
Oh no! He's completely under the control of the dark power!
That's not Ryuga!
What now? How is he supposed to fight against that monster?
But if this goes on, the world will be... You can do it, Jinga!
I will tear this world apart and completely cover it with the darkness of destruction.
Stop it, Ryuga! What will happen if you do something like that? So is this really the reason you've been Beyblading?
All I want is a world covered in darkness.
Open your eyes, Ryuga!
No one can stop me now!
No matter what you say, it's no good, Jinga. The one standing there is no longer Ryuga.
Go away! Disappear!
What power? Can I really win against an opponent like that? But I have to do it. If I lose here, everything is over. Pegasus and I hold the fate of everyone's future.
You will stand against it!
Please, do your best, Jinga!
Jinga!
But in order for you to win against the dark power, there is still one thing missing. Can you realize what it is, Jinga?
Here we go, Ryuga.
It's no use. What can someone like you do?
I must not lose. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win this.
Don't make me laugh!
Go, Pegasus! Pegasus! It's no good. It's like I can't even compete.
Dark Cloud! Dragon Emperor! Soaring Destruction!
Jinga!
Jinga!